Detective Kamiko, I don't know what's going on. I've been staring at this triangle all day and I have no idea how to solve it. Aha! Classic case of a mystery triangle. But do not fear. I know how to solve this one. It's the three ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine, cosine, tangent. What's that? See, when we investigate a triangle, sine, cosine, and tangent are three key suspects we use when we're trying to investigate a triangle.
Let's practice this together!
Alright, I'm ready. But where do we start? What's the first clue? Well, first you have to identify the sides of the triangle. So, this is our theta. We're going to do the opposite side, which is opposite to the angle we're trying to find. So it'll be this side. And we have the adjacent side, which is the side next to the angle. And then we have our hypotenuse, which is the longest side, which is straight across from the right angle. Okay, got it. Now what? First is sine. It's the opposite to the sine theta. The angle you're trying to find is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So, in this case, this would be opposite over hypotenuse. Aha! So if I know the opposite and the hypotenuse, I can find this angle. Next is cosine. Oh. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Do you want to try this one? Sure. So I know that this is the opposite angle, and I know that this is the hypotenuse, so this must be the adjacent, which means that adjacent, which is 3, would be over hypotenuse, which is 5. You're doing so great! Next, we're going to do tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, which would be, our opposite would be 4, and then our adjacent would be 3. Now, all we have left to do is find the angle. And don't forget that SOHCAHTOA is a shortcut right here. But how do we find the angle? Great question.
Here I have my calculator.
And to find the angle, let's do sine. So to find this angle, you have to take the inverse of it and do sine -1 of 4/5. Let me show you how to do it on the calculator. Calculator says it is 53.13 degrees. Wow, I never knew that. We solved the case!